Hello, Sammy fam. I'm about to make what I hope is going to be a delicious Korean bulgogi burrito. And first things first, we're going to start with pulling this hair off of my little burrito wrapper here, this big old tortilla. And I'm going to get some just cabbage. I'm going to lay a little bit of cabbage down. And I got a little bit of American cheese here. I'm going to put that down too. Beautiful. Now I have a nice melty bed because I am going to toast this up for my bulgogi beef. Now this beef, oh man, it's so good. If you guys can see, there's green onions in there. And I gotta be careful not to put too much in this because I gotta be able to close it, you know? It's always tempting when you're making a burrito to overfill it. Now I think that'll be enough because we got more stuff to put in here. But let me just run you guys through what's in here. So we got soy sauce. I marinated it in soy sauce. And then we got chili oil. And then we got crushed red pepper. Running out of places to put things. We have ginger. We have sesame oil. We have rice vinegar. We have cane sugar. Oh, and I gotta get a couple things out of the fridge. We have gochujang. And we have garlic. So, a lot going on to make this beef extra delicious. And boy, does it smell good. And you know I've already tasted it. And the second I put the marinade on it, even when the beef was raw, yeah, I ate some of that raw beef and it was so good, guys. So we got our beef. We got some cheese in here. We got some cabbage. What are we gonna put in here now? Oh, kimchi, of course. And I'm trying a different kind of kimchi I haven't bought before. Check this out. See, this is a red radish kimchi. Supposed to be spicy. Spicy Korean moo red radish. Hey, it's probiotic and vegan. I don't care about that part because obviously I'm eating a bunch of meat right now. But let's put some of this radish on here. Usually I just get, cabbage kimchi, but we'll try some of that. And then I have some white cheddar. You guys may have noticed sitting over here. Put a little white cheddar on there. And I think we're gonna have a delicious burrito here once I fold it up. Now I'm gonna fry this up and make it nice and crispy and sealed up. You can see it's dripping a little bit, but we will rectify that in just a minute. Okay, guys, I'll be right back with the finished product and we're gonna see how it tastes. I think it's gonna be delicious because I tasted the beef, but we'll see how all the flavors come together just right. I hope just right. We'll see in a second. Hey, Sammy fam. Well, I guess these might be more chimichanga now than burrito. They're crispy on the outside. They're all folded up. But I'm not really clear on exactly what the technical difference is, so I'm just gonna enjoy them because I think they're gonna be delicious. And I can smell that bulgogi beef from inside here. It smells so good. It's really good. It's spicy, but in a nice way. Balanced well with the onion and the kimchi. The tang is there. A little bit of sweetness from the sugar. Of course, you have that nice soy saltiness, that sesame coming through. and that melty, cheesy goodness. And yes, I did make a second one because I knew one would not be enough. It never is. Well, thank you all for watching, and I hope that you guys will try making some bulgogi soon. You don't have to use fancy beef. You can just use some ground beef like I did. Just soy sauce, sesame oil, maybe some mirin if you can get that. If not, it's okay. I just used some rice vinegar, a little bit of sugar, brown sugar, cane sugar, something like that. Garlic and ginger, and wow, it's so good. It's a perfect blend of savory and sweet and just amazing. And the green onions. You know, I love green onions and everything if you've been watching for a long time, but if you haven't been, go back and watch all my old videos back to back to back to back. Sure, please, thank you. I'll see you guys next time when I'll have a new crazy recipe for y'all. Because that's just who I am. I'm Sammy Boy. And you're the Sammy fam.